Oh shit. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, hold on. It's been a couple days. Oh shoot. Come on, you son of a bitch. Is there a choke on this thing, or how do these things work? You know, if there's a rodent, you know, a waterfowl living in your exhaust pipe, you'll blow her right to the moon. I want you to work on those couple things. Body positioning today. I want you to get off your bike more. Your lap time was 3 seconds longer than usually is. I don't know if that's because of all the darts you've been smoking or what, but I want you to start working on that.
It's the A&W for sure. We'll meet you in the back section, and we'll start that double.
You'll meet me in the back section. Don't defer, buddy. I'm the coach.
All right, sounds good.
All right, get out there. Have some fun, kiddo. It's all about fun. It's not about taking it seriously. Clear. Hold on, the coach can deal with it. Nice, smooth like Buddy Beast bottom. Now he's getting comfortable. If he can take this down right here, like an ugly bride to be, then he can take down anything on the track, in my opinion. Oh yeah. Too much saturation. Oh, that gets fast.
The sand, it's so soft though. Like
Yeah, but stand up, remember?
As soon as you go into that sand, your front tire just wobbles. So I think I gotta lean back.
But it's such a gradual corner, so lean back, and if you're just a hair off the seat,
and just hold it there.
squeeze the knees, please.
Yeah, okay,
Right?
yeah.
So, but you know what? I don't want to embarrass us on that backside anymore. We'll get you a little bit better on the front side here. Work on the front side a little bit now.
All right.
And then at the end of the day, we'll get into that backside before you get too tired. There we go. He's getting it. My sweet son's getting it. You gotta keep it smooth. Bend and snap. He's making me not look bad. Oh, there's that little Evil Knievel again. Yes. Oh. Yes, buddy. Oh, he's fucking good. Look at the dad. The dad is literally staring at me right now. Yeah.